Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing 5 late spring / early summer looks to wear on repeat. So I actually think I mentioned this in my last video, but something that I've really been focusing on in my wardrobe is making things more unique and more personal. And I actually recently worked with PD Paula and I just fell in love with their pieces, so I'm actually super excited to work with them again and show you my latest edition that I got. So I picked up this, it's actually a charm necklace, and this is just me unboxing all the charms. You'll see what I got in a second, but I am literally obsessed with all of them. Look at this, it's like a tiny little gold apple. Love it. So they have lots of different selections and you can just choose whatever suits you best. But this is the chain. So first of all, I've got this kind of red heart. It's a gorgeous material. You'll see it up close again in a second. And you just kind of like string them on. That sounds strange, but you can see it's like a needle almost at the top, and then, oh my gosh, obsessed. So I obviously, because I love everything to be personal, as you can see by my shirt, I had to get an L and an A for my initials, and then I've got the apple. It's like an onyx thing there. It's gorgeous. I love that because I just think it adds that kind of earthy brown tone. And this is how you thread everything through, and then you can, when you put it on, you can actually wear it shorter, longer, you can like adjust it. It's such a beautiful piece. Honestly, I cannot tell you how gorgeous the quality is. Since I've got it, I've worn it every single day. But yeah, you can see throughout the rest of this video the different ways in which I've worn this piece. It looks so chic and so cool with literally every outfit. And I just feel like, especially in the summer, this is the kind of piece that makes a simple look, because you don't wear that many pieces, you don't have so much layering, but then if you're layering on your jewellery, just adds depth and so fun. I feel like a beach summer, like even just a bikini and then a cover up, like a shirt over, this is the kind of piece that just like makes it pop. And I just love how you can literally make it exactly what you want it. You don't have to have your initials, you can have whatever you want. They have a great selection of charms. So I'll leave everything linked below, obviously, and my discount code, LucyAllen15. I'll pop that on screen again and leave it in the description box below. But yeah, I am so obsessed with this piece. I'm really trying to be super thoughtful with anything that I'm bringing into my wardrobe, and honestly, I can't tell you, I've not had this piece off since I got it. So here I'm obviously just wearing my white denim from Zara, and obviously paired it with my Cezanne personalised shirt and my PD Paula charm necklace. And then I've popped on mango suede boots and a Loewe basket bag. I just literally love like the contrast of the personalised shirt and the charm necklace. I'm honestly obsessed. But yeah, this is just a simple everyday look. I love an all white moment in the summer, spring and summer. I love it. It's so my vibe. White t-shirt, white shirt, whatever. But again, it can be kind of boring, so you have to kind of accessorise it. Hence the necklace and the suede boots, I think, really kind of take it to another level. They just make it more fun. Like, I feel like since I came back from New York, I've really been like trying to push myself to do stuff that I wouldn't normally wear, which I would have years ago. I would have just probably thrown on white sneakers with this, but then it's too much white. So yeah, I just love it. Also, the boots have like a decent block heel, these mango boots. So I feel like they kind of like elevate me and lift me up a bit, because I am only 5'4". And so again, that makes the denim look better. But yeah, I love this look. The next look is a pretty basic me look, but it can be worn in many ways. So I've popped on a COS t-shirt here and my Aritzia Effortless pants, but you don't have to do that. You can change it. I've just popped on this bag that I got from Anthro that I have to tell you about. It's literally Bottega dupe for £115. Looks amazing. I'll leave it in the description box linked. so chic. I'm obsessed. I just got it a few weeks ago after I seen it. I tried it in New York. But yeah, again, an all black look, or you could do this in like cream or white tones, so chic. But then again, you just have to accessorize it up. Simple, easy, you can wear it to work, you can wear it anytime. So comfortable and breezy, and but like not too much. I feel like you're still kind of elevated, especially I've worn it with my Chanel ballet flats, if you can see that. You'll probably see it in a second. But you could wear it with sandals. Again, it's all about how you make it feel like you. But this simple t-shirt and like slouchy, effortless, like crepe style trousers, don't know what you would call them, that this look is just, it's all the time that we're in the summer. I love it with white. Definitely try it with a white tee and like kind of beige trousers. Looks amazing. Add sandals, flip-flops, whatever. But it is a silhouette that I will never stop wearing. Look number 3 is I've just paired my Cézanne cardi with a tank. I would probably normally wear a white tank with this, but honestly it was in the wash, so I put this one on. It's from Abercrombie. I still love it together. It just adds a bit more warmth and a bit more tone. But again, it's up to you what colours you wear. I love this cardi. I also love the neck, and I've been wearing it buttoned at the top and then in the middle. But again, like, I just feel like this necklace from P.D. Paula just like it emphasises. I don't know if it's the tones with the kind of brown and the red. It just like pulls out the warmth. I love it. But yeah, so chic, obsessed with this together. And then I've just put on my new bag from the Row. Again, it depends where you're going. If I was going out for like a lunch, dinner, I would wear this. I wore this recently to an event with Joe Malone, and I just popped a blazer on over it. So cool, easy, still super slouchy with denim. These are my Dunst denim, which I love. Any kind of boyfriend denim, Levi's, whatever, works. But yeah, just that simple tank, cardi, slouchy denim and sneakers. Can you beat a look like that? You can wear it all the time, literally spring, summer, whenever. All you have to do is layer it. But I just feel like it's the perfect amount of layers. I wore this recently, it was too hot, so you take the cardi off, put it over your shoulders. Perfect look. So you really know it's about to be June in Scotland when I am bringing out the maxi dresses. These do not normally get worn other than that. But yeah, so this is an old one from last year from Amazon actually. I seen someone wear it on Instagram and I bought it. Love it. Such a great piece. And then I've just thrown over, again, it's not warm enough to wear on its own, so I've thrown over my H&M denim, mango boots, just to lift me a little, and this potato dupe bag from Anthro that I can't stop wearing also. And I just kind of love this style. It's simple, it's easy, you can wear whatever. Honestly, you could wear this out to dinner, out to lunch. It's still like, it's one of those looks that's kind of casual but kind of not. Yeah, I love that vibe. But also because you put the denim on, you're making it even more casual, even though you're wearing a decent block heel with a long dress. But yeah, love these boots also. Just got them recently. I think I showed you in my last haul actually. But yeah, so cool, obsessed with them. And this is just an everyday kind of look that I love to wear. More so as it gets warmer, I'll wear it with sandals. So look number 5 is an easy, everyday, slouchy, summer vibe style look that you can easily recreate. So I've just popped on my chypre sandals, but any kind of Birkenstock sandal will do, or sneakers if you prefer. My stripe linen, any kind of linen trousers from H&M, and my new boat and tote bag, all over TikTok and Instagram at the minute. Ironic boat and tote, but I ordered mine from LL Bean. Honestly amazing. I'll leave a link in the description because the quality, I'm obsessed. I just throw my laptop and like my planner and everything in there. A great everyday bag, honestly. And yeah, I know I should wear another bra with this top, but I didn't when filming. It's annoying me now. Anyway, so this is just a simple, easy, everyday look that I would wear. Sometimes I'll pop on my Ralph Lauren jumper instead of a cardi, whatever. Super easy to change this up with different colours, etc., and just a great summer silhouette. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.